Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Amira Kaunain, studying in 9B in Government Urdu High School, Karabilchi. Today I am going to present my seminar. Our topic is about the contribution of the Muslim scientists in the various aspects of sciences. Our topic is about the astronomy, mathematics, medicine, and optics and physics, chemistry, and engineering and mechanical devices. Now, our major scientists which have contributed in the various aspects of sciences, like in the subject astronomy, man must rise above the earth to the top of the atmosphere and beyond, for only fully thus when he fully understands the world in which he lives, dedicated by Socrates. And our major scientists which have contributed in the field of astronomy is Al-Batani, also known as Albertinius, 858 to 929 CE. His legacy or his contribution in the field of astronomy is he has refined the calculations of solar year and planetary orbits. He was born at 858 CE in Haran at Turkey. He died at 929 CE in Khasarul Jiz at Iraq. And his major work in the field of astronomy is he has written a book named as Kitab al-Zij, which contains the astronomical tables. And our next scientist is Ibn al-Shatir, 1304 to 1375. His legacy in the field of astronomy is he has developed the planetary models by influencing it by the Copernicus heliocentric theory. Copernicus heliocentric theory is the astronomical tables which gives us the information that the sun is in the center of our solar system and the other planets is revolving around it. He was born at 1304 CE in Damascus at Syria. He died at 1375 CE in Damascus at Syria. And his major work in the field of astronomy is he has developed the planetary models in Nihayat al-Sulfi Tahsil al-Usul, which is a book which gives the information about related to astronomy. And our next scientist is Al-Zarkhali, also known as Al-Zakhil, 1029 to 1087 CE. His legacy in the field of astronomy is he has enhanced the astronomical tables and astrolabe. He was born at 1029 CE in Toledo at Spain. He died at 1087 CE in Toledo at Spain. And his major work in the field of astronomy is he has discovered the tables of Toledo. Tables of Toledo is the astronomical table which were used to predict the movement of sun, moons and other planets by observing the stars. Now let's move to our next topic, which is the topic of mathematics. Mathematics is the language in which the God has written the universe, inspired by Galileo Galilei. And the major scientists which have contributed in the field of mathematics is Al-Khwarizmi, 780 to 850 CE. His legacy in the field of mathematics is he has done the introduction to algebra and algorithm. Algorithm is the step-by-step procedure to solving the algebraic problems. He was born at 780 CE in Khwarizm, and the modern day is Uzbekistan. He died at 850 CE in Baghdad at Iraq. And his major work in the field related to mathematics is he has written a book named as Kitab al-Mukhtasar fi Hisab al-Jabr wal-Mukhabbala, this book gives the information of solving the algebraic problems rather than the arithmetic. And our next scientist is Umar Khayyam, 1048 to 1131 CE. His legacy in the field of mathematics is advanced algebra and advanced mathematics. He was born at 1048 CE in Nishapur at Persia. He died at 1131 CE in Nishapur at Persia. And his major work in the field of mathematics is treatise in the cubic equations and polynomials. And Rubaiyat, which generally means poetry. And our next topic is about medicine. The art of the medicine lies by observing and understanding the balance of the body's system, inspired by Al-Razi. And the major scientists which have contributed in the field of medicines is Ibn Sina, also known as Avicenna, 980 to 1037 CE. His legacy in the field of medicine is he has done the encyclopedia of the medicine. He was born at 980 CE in Afshana near Bukhara, and the modern day is Uzbekistan. He died at 1037 CE in Hamdan at Persia. His major work in the field of medicine is the Canon of the Medicine, which is the book of healing. And our next scientist is Ibn al-Nafis, 1213 to 1288 CE. His legacy in the field of medicine is he has discovered the pulmonary blood circulation in our body. He was born at 1213 CE in Damascus at Syria. and he died at 1288 CE in Cairo at Egypt, and his major work in the field of medicine is his commentary in the Anatomy of Avicenna's Canon, which is the book of Heli. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me to explain the major role of scientists in the various aspects of sciences. Thank you for one and all.